Student, today I will explain you letter and in letter informal letter. There are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter are used to write for official purpose. Now in this video I will explain you informal letter. First we will know what are informal letter. Informal letter. An informal letter is a non-official letter that we use to write to our friends, family or relative. These letters are personal letters that are not used for official purposes. After that, format of informal letters. First, we write the address. Address of the sender means if we are writing the letter, we will write our address. After address, date, and after date, we will leave a line, and after that, salutation. Salutation, if you are writing the letter to your friend, dear Mohan, dear Sohan, whatever the name of your friend is, and if you are writing to your mother, dear mother, if you are writing to your uncle, dear uncle. After salutation, we will start writing our main body of our letter. The main body of our letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, we ask for the well-being of the person to whom we are writing the letter. In second paragraph, the reason why we are writing the letter. And in third paragraph, we conclude the letter. And in the last, use your lovingly or your dear friend according to the person whom you writing the letter, and in the last mention your name. Now there are some expressions which we use when we start our letter, like how are you, how have you been, how's everything going, I hope you are doing fine, I hope you are well. And after that you can write these lines, the reason why you are writing the letter. I am writing because the reason I am writing is because, whatever the reason is, you can start writing your reason. After that, closing expression. How can we close our letter? Anyway, well, that's all for now. Hope to hear from you soon. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Send my regards to uncle and aunt. Whatever expression you want to use, you can use any expression in the last of your letter. Now, here is the solved example of a letter. Birthday party invitation letter. In this letter, you want to invite your friend on your birthday. So, how you will write this letter? You can see. First, write the address. We write the address 34512 Awas Vikas, Saharanpur. After that, date. After date, salutation, dear Rohini. You can write the name of your friend. After that, first paragraph in which you ask the health or about your friend, like how are you, how are your family members, how is the weather there, hope you are doing well, I am also fine here. And after this second paragraph, I am writing this letter to invite you for my birthday party, which will be celebrated on 30th May 2021. In this paragraph, we write the reason why we are writing the letter. The party will be conducted in house. It will begin at 6 p.m. in the evening. You have mentioned the reason. And final and last paragraph. It's been a long time since we have seen each other, and I will be really very happy if you can attend my birthday party. Waiting to meet you soon. This is the ending lines of our letter. After that, take care, with love. You can also write your lovingly, and after that your name. This is the example of informal letter. I hope you will understand how to write informal letters.